So this morning, I was randomly talking about Chip, the robotic dog, and then my dad brought out a box, and it's Chip. So I don't know really how, but I'm going to be unboxing Chip today. Let's get started. Here is like his bed, and then here is Chip. He's bigger than I thought. And then here's like the wristband. Here is his like ball. So here's what you plug into the wall for his bed. Some more cords. And then this goes on the wheel to like protect your fingers. And the instructions. I'm still so surprised, like I don't know how. I was just talking about Chip and then my dad brings out a box and it has Chip. I don't know how it happened. It's really weird. I'm going to open all of this stuff up and then I will get back to you. So now that I have everything opened up, I'm going to read the instructions. And Chip is bigger than I thought and his ball is smaller than I thought. And so is his bed. So guys, now I'm going to go charge Chip and all the stuff that might need to be charged. Asia, what do you think of Chip? Hey Chip, fetch. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below if you have a Chip or even if you want one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.